There are thousands of paid media buyers. Can you still get started in it as a career? I mean, you must have heard of digital marketing. It's everywhere, and paid media is often the lifeblood of some businesses. So it must be saturated, right? Nope. Let me explain. First thing you need to understand is, what does every business need? Sales. And what gets you sales? Good marketing. Not only that, but paid media can make or break some businesses. They need specialists because it's not as easy as it sounds. And business owners don't have the time to be managing ads. Think about it this way. There's millions of businesses and new ones coming out every year. Ad spend is going up year after year. I did a search on Indeed for paid media specialists, and I saw there was 265 new jobs in the US alone in the last 14 days, all remote. I did another search on LinkedIn and there was 595 jobs in paid media. It's probably more than that because I searched specifically paid media specialists, but I know there's other search terms for media buying. Most likely there's thousands of new paid media jobs every single month. So you can choose a route of working for a company, which I recommend in the beginning, specifically a marketing agency, because you can learn a lot in a marketing agency. Or you can be freelancing, making anywhere from $500 to over $2,000 a month per client. And if you watch videos like on my channel, you can learn the skills to get a stranger to pay you that much. And there's thousands of ways to get started. So what exactly does a paid media specialist do? They basically run ads for a business to make more sales. Simple as that, but more complicated than it sounds. There's two main platforms that I believe every media buyer should know how to run ads on. And that's Google and Meta Ads, Facebook and Instagram. If you can get good on these two platforms, any other platform should be easy to learn. However, just being a media buyer is not enough to get the job or the client. You need to understand the basics of digital marketing and also what makes a good creative. And a bonus would be what makes a landing page convert. Because you can maybe be good at driving traffic to a business's website, but what if the website sucks and it doesn't convert? Can you help them? What if your creatives don't get the clicks because they don't speak to the business's ideal customer persona? You'll become a much more valuable media buyer if you understand these type of things. When it comes to ad platforms, a lot of things are automated and you can just set up some campaigns and not touch them that frequently. What you do need to work on are like the hooks of an ad, headlines, images, videos, carousels, optimizing the catalog, optimizing the landing page, etc. So to recap, can you be a media buyer? Yes. In fact, I would say over 80% of people running paid media are really bad at it. And that's because it's not just clicking a couple buttons and letting the AI and do its thing and it will print money. It involves everything I mentioned earlier and much more. All right, thanks for watching. If you want more videos on how to become a better media buyer, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on paid media. And if you want to get on a call with me and dive into maybe a specific ad account or a consultation on how to get started in paid media, get the success you deserve, there will be a link in the description below. Until next time, bye.